Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Bane Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Kadwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907. Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, Kadai ke College Babhatam Nagapanta ke Jingpuli Nursing but Paramedical Course, Hospital Training, Pinyo Scholarship but 6% ka kam, Haki Hospital Bahedo India but Shabari. Nabanta ke Jingpuli ke Jingseo ka Paret but Hila Banle Yu ban Puli da ke Education Loan. Hila Ruban Shukol How number Kandai Nyo Sao San Riu Pranot. Lani Kandai Pran Riu Laisan, Arn Riwe Kandai Pra.
Kakanuhun Menteri Sorkar Kalasong Jelang Hanyo Trik Jembang banyak keren yang kebubun giman berhaba keren sikiblat patai kubur Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad K Sangma Ulaong Bak Sorkar Kalarai ban Pynkylla Kertengno ya Lady Hydari Park sya Phan Nonglait Park nangta ka Sorkar kan thungkam no hikai hagi higher secondary school kan thungkam ha National Service Scheme lapan bai thamai gi kandon jong Meghalaya State Food Commission rules nakapenta ka samoi trikam jong chairman bat ki wei pat kimat.
We have also passed the decision to rename Lady Hydari Park to Phan Nonglait Park. This again was a decision which was taken a very long time back, and this has been again going up and down because of administrative complications that took place earlier. But we have finally today cleared this proposal, and the renaming of Lady Hydari Park to Phan Nonglait Park was decided today. The proposal for creation of posts for Shillong Higher Secondary School, as you are aware that it was upgraded to a higher secondary school, but there were not enough teaching staff there for that, and hence those particular posts for the higher secondary school were created, and today that was cleared by the cabinet. The proposal was for the creation of posts in the state NSS cell. This is something that is mandated by the Government of India, and this board was supposed to come out quite some time back. The NSS stands for the National Service Scheme, and under this there are different activities that are carried out by the NSS, which is mostly youth-related activities. So the details are not here with me. Our NSS volunteers and different activities related to youth will be carried out. So this is mandated, as I said, by Government of India. We have amended some rules in the Meghalaya State Food Commission rules in terms of the period of time of the chairman. So that was in accordance with the rules that have been laid on at the national level. So we were just making it compliable and compatible to the national rules. We have also decided today to enhance the cash grant to recipients of gallantry and distinguished award winners of the Army, Navy and Air Force personnel of the state of Meghalaya. We have also cleared the Meghalaya state policy on construction and demolition, where the construction and demolition waste which was not properly being managed, the government has come out with a policy where it will make it mandatory to ensure that these wastes that are generated by construction and demolition will be handled in a proper manner.